Hello friend, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur and you guys are watching my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you about the vulnerability scanning. Okay, it means in this network security lab, we are going to learn how to detect known security vulnerabilities on a device and you only have the IP address of that machine. Okay, it means I have only the IP address of a machine and I have to find the vulnerability inside that machine. How I will find that? Okay. Let's suppose I have a buggy operating system which is copycat, that is the IP address of this buggy machine is 192.168.29.60. When I say buggy machine, it means there are by default some bug inside this operating system. If you don't know the operating system, if you don't have the idea about how to set up this operating system, I will give you the link in the I button, okay, and you can watch the video from there. Now the question is how I will find. I have IP address this machine and I don't know what is the vulnerability inside this machine. How I will find that? So you have to use a very useful command which is very popular in the cyber security world, and you can use that command to find the vulnerability, all the known security vulnerabilities. Okay, so the command for that is nmap, and after nmap you have to type --script --script. I'm going to use the script vulnerability is equal to script is equal to vuln, that stands for vulnerability, and then you can give the IP address of that machine. Simple, it's very simple. You can give the IP address of that machine and press enter. Remember, this is also known as script scanning method for finding vulnerabilities. Okay, so just wait and watch. You can see it's started working, so you have to be patient. It has already started working and finding the vulnerabilities inside this IP address. It means if there is any vulnerability inside this IP address, that will be complete information will be revealed on the screen. Okay, so when I say complete, it does not mean all the vulnerability listed, but all the possible vulnerabilities which is possible with this nmap tool, this nmap script, that will be possible only. This tool is mostly used by the cybersecurity expert, network security expert, also for the penetration tester and bug bounty engineers. सो जस्ट हैव ए पेशेंस, थोड़ा पेशेंस रखें, ध्यान रखें आउटपुट के ऊपर. ये थोड़ा टाइम ले सकता है, द टाइमिंग विल बी डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट पीपल. ये अलग अलग लोगों के लिए जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आपका है अलग अलग टाइमिंग हो सकता है, डिपेंड करता है आपके हार्डवेयर के ऊपर. तो हमारे सिस्टम में ये हो चुका है और अब हम इसको क्या करने वाले हैं, इसको देखने वाले हैं, इसके आउटपुट को एनालाइज करने वाले हैं. तो मैं इस स्क्रीन को बड़ा कर देता हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू बिग द स्क्रीन, make the screen larger, and you will see here, so all the ports and what's it's you can see all the services are which is running or open, whatever. So it's saying that okay, http proxy is open right now. What is possibilities? The possibility vulnerable, which I found some vulnerable slow loris DOS attack. That is a type of slow loris is a tool which is used to do the DOS attack or DDoS attack on operating system. That attack is likely vulnerable. Okay, that is likely vulnerable. Okay, so this is vulnerability, this is the vulnerability is found inside this operating system. So you can make sure that this vulnerability is possible. Now the another vulnerability which is possible is http enumeration. Okay, means information related to admin. It is possible to admin login folder. It means it is possible for the hacker to go to the admin folder of this website. Okay, so that vulnerability is detected here. Now there is another method to find the vulnerabilities. Inside the same command, what you have to do, you have to put -s and -v. That v is for version, service version. Okay, so I can just simply put -s, a small -s, capital V. S is for service, v is for version. Okay, so you can use this one also, this script. This will give you the more detailed information. Okay, so if you want a detailed information of everything, you can simply type -s -v, and that will be capital -- script is equal to 1 and then the IP address of the machine on which you want to find the vulnerabilities. So आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट में क्या दिया था, एक IP एड्रेस दिया था जिसमें आप vulnerability फाइंड आउट करते हो. अगर आपको vulnerability फाइंड आउट करनी है तो आपको ये टेक्निक इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक दिस वीडियो इनसाइड हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश बोथ लैंग्वेज, हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों ही लैंग्वेज में मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। अगर मेरे जो व्यूअर्स हैं जिनको इंग्लिश में चाहिए वो कमेंट में जाकर इंग्लिश या हिंदी आप टाइप कर सकते हो, व्हाट एवर लैंग्वेज यू वांट। ओके, so I only speak two languages, Hindi and English. So which language you are comfortable with, just go in the comment section and type your language, whether you want the video in Hindi or in English. Okay, now you can see the detail here. Let me explain you the output. So just go ahead, go at the top. Okay, now you can see the all the ports which is open. So HTTP proxy is open, that is 8080. It is slow loadis vulnerable, you can see likely vulnerable. It's also showing that slow loadis attack is possible, means DOS attack is possible on this machine. Also it's showing giving you some request like website like HTTP 1.1 version is using, and it's showing path HTTP only, it means no HTTPS. And if you go through the page you can see main like copy cake, which is the operating system name of the operating system which we have given. And you can, if you are a HTML and CSS student, you have learned about HTML and CSS, you will understand what this code means. Okay, this page link with each other, and this is giving the HTTP option, HTTP 1.1 which is very vulnerable, is using here right now. So vulnerable HTTP version we are using. The title status, HTTP status. If you want to know about the status, you can simply type HTTP status 400, what does this means, and you will find that on internet, Wikipedia. So you have to use your internet also, like if you want to know more detail, you can go with that one. You can just scroll down and you can see here HTTP enumeration is also possible. Okay, so it means possible admin folder is, it is possible that hackers can go to the admin folder, and you can get more information here if you read it clearly. The hackers got the information according to what they want actually from this one, like headers and all these things information. Okay, like what is this website working on, what this website is all about. Okay, like HTTP request status, login page is available or not, whatever information you want you can take according to your choice. Okay, आपको जो information चाहिए आप अपने हिसाब से इसमें से read कर सकते हो, निकाल सकते हो. Mainly these are some codes, some are syntax, some are like just CSS code and HTML codes, and out of this code you have to find out the message, you have to read the message, what's actually message is here, and then you will get the actual information. ओके, यानी आप कह सकते हो कि बहुत सारे यहाँ पे CSS के कोड हैं, HTML CSS के कोड मिक्स वे में यहाँ पे दिखा रहे हैं, उसमें से आपको अपने इन्फॉर्मेशन को निकालना आना चाहिए कि कैसे उसको निकालेंगे. बट इट विल शो यू ऑल द वनरेबिलिटी हियर. जितने भी इसने निकाल सकता था वो सारे इसने निकाल कर दे दिए. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू डू like script scanning to finding the vulnerability on Kali Linux machine or using Kali Linux machine with the help of Nmap. Thank you for watching.